The acetabular labrum is a ring of cartilage that surrounds the acetabulum of the hip. Its function is to secure the head of the femur within the hip socket. The cause of a hip labral tear may include trauma, femoral acetabular impingement, capsular laxity, dysplasia, and degeneration. Delamination of the acetabular cartilage involves the cartilage becoming separated from the rim of the acetabulum. Arthroscopic treatment of labral tears is performed to relieve pain and mobility issues by removing the tear that is causing the pain or by repairing the torn region. The borders of the labrum and the acetabulum are trimmed, and anchors are driven into the natural site of attachment of the labrum. Bioabsorbable sutures are brought through the detached part of the labrum and secured to the anchors on the acetabulum.